So here I'm at the junkyard, taking apart the railing, the top, which is this, held by 2 bolts. These 2 right here. The bottom, there's a bracket and a small bolt, and I think this is just for adjusting. 3 bolts, 1 here for adjusting. Also seem to be moving pretty well. Now I'm going to get the middle bracket. Again, here's the bottom bracket. Looks like everything here is adjustable. So I think there's if anything, this is where you align the door. Things seem to be pretty good. Okay, there. So the middle bracket on the sliding door, these 2 bolts. As you can see, this one's worn out, but not to the post. Still functioning well.